Welcome to this tutorial on how to complete the new Census of Juveniles and Residential Placement, CJRP for short, roster. Before entering any data, carefully review the instructions below to ensure all information is accurate and meets the required criteria. Incomplete or incorrect submissions may delay processing and/or require follow-up. To enter data, click on the link below or navigate to the Enter Person Data Here tab. This is a new addition to CJRP, and it's similar to the roster you've worked with in previous years, but with a few key differences. Instead of collecting data based on the reference date, this roster asks for information about children released from your facility in the month of February. Please only list children who were under age 21 on their date of admission and who were placed in your facility because of an offense they committed. As a reminder, all of the children you list here should have a release date of February 1st, 2025 through February 28, 2025. There are 7 questions total. Most of them should look familiar, so you should not encounter anything too new or confusing. If so, please contact us. The main purpose of this update is to help us better understand the duration of a youth stay in a facility. In the past, we measured the length of time a youth had been in a facility as of the reference date. But this did not capture the full picture, especially since many youth stay well beyond that date. This updated roster will allow us to accurately measure the entire duration of a youth stay, giving us a more complete understanding of their time in the facility.